Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can edit a video in Google Photos. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Photos and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. There is the Photos section, Memories, Library, and Search. So right now, in order to edit a video in Google Photos, make sure that you are in the Photos section, which is the Home section, and then search for the video you want to edit. So for example, I'm going to edit this video. So go ahead and click on it. And then right here, as you can see guys in the bottom, you're going to find three options: share, edit, and delete. Go ahead and click on edit. And then once you click on edit, just wait for it a little bit and then it will take you right here to the editor. As you can see guys, now the video is loading, and once finished loading, right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to remove or add sound. Right here, as you can see guys, you can make the video stable. Right here, you can also crop the video. As you can see guys, right here, you can adjust it by adjusting the brightness, the contrast, the HDR effect, white points, and highlights, and so on. Right here, you will find some ready filters that you can use for the video, and also some effects. So basically, guys, once you finish adjusting your video, just go ahead and click on Save Copy, and then the video will be saved. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.